Alright, lead the way, kids. Are we going the right way? Slugs!
Imagine having this room be outside of your house. Because so it used to be.
What's up, Tatum?
Oh, sorry.
Harlow. Sorry. Come on.
Excuse me.
That lady got choked up. Yikes indeed. All the There's a kid that's lost.
We'll want to come in fresh with the molding. You could build it like this.
What is this?
Centuries old practice, and still in style. I tell you how it acts.
Do we go in this one?
How close is it? Hey! Close it now. Car got closed in.
I don't care if I go to
taking a picture of it. Fool.
My next guest arrives soon. I have to go. I'm sorry, Isadora, but Hermitage is full-time now.
Wait. No, I still have so many questions. What's your favorite sandwich? How do we get out of here? And he's gone. Great.
Wait, what's in here?
Okay, we'll be right back. Keep that dial right where it is on ETNL Eternal.